Hello there, beautiful people. I hope you're doing well and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Anas. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. And you already know you should be a witness to over 100 videos I made so far on Shopify customization. They were mostly requested from you guys, subscribers, and some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. Just a like button, that's all I'm asking. But actually, if you are interested in Shopify customization, you want to be an expert, why not subscribing to the channel, man? I don't have anything to sell. I don't sell any courses, never will. I don't have any paid memberships or anything like that. I do provide the codes completely free. So every content I do create, I post it completely free on the channel. You just have to skip around some advertisements, but that's the case for most of the videos on YouTube, including the entertainment ones you like to watch, right? So it's a win-win situation, but I respect your decision and I'll let you choose. Just a like button if this video helped you out, that's all I'm asking. And here I am back with another requested video, which is how to adjust and move the banner image position on the mobile only for your Shopify store, because I did post a video on how to do that only on the desktop. Adjusting and moving the banner image on the desktop. But I got a request, same as always, on how to do that only for the mobile. And here I am making the video. And without any more talking, let's just get to it. As you can see, this is the Shopify dashboard in here, and I have down team, which is the one I'm going to do demonstration on right now, and also where I do all demonstrations on this channel. But if I scroll down in here, I have every other free themes as well, which is Spotlight, Test, Sense, Refresh, and Trade. And if you are wondering why is that, because I do actually try the tricks in behind the scenes on all of them. So even if you're not using down team, using one of these should work for you just fine, because as I said, I do try the trick behind the scenes and I don't do that in the video, so I don't bore people because it's like 5 or 6 teams. It's gonna be a long video. So no worries, every trick on my channel, it will work for you no matter if you're using down team or one of these. And even if it didn't, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to help you out. And this video should be an example, right? Because this was requested based on my previous video. So without any more talking, again for the second time, let's just get to it. This is the Shopify store where I do all the tricks, and everything you see in the Shopify store, I mean literally everything, including the announcement bar, search bar, everything you see in this Shopify store, I did it in tutorials. So if you saw something here, you recognize it and you think it looks good, you want to implement it in your Shopify store, then check out the channel. I will be already made that video posted on the channel, because once you see it on the Shopify store, that means I already did that. But what I'm talking about in this video is this one right here, the banner. So as I said in one of my previous videos, I did show you how to adjust the position of the banner image on the desktop. I got a request how to do that for the mobile, because the picture does not look the same on the desktop. Let me show you that. So if I switch to the mobile from here, okay, let me switch to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Here we go. As you can see, it does not look the same on the desktop, on the mobile. So what I'm about to do in this video is I will adjust or move the position of the picture either up or down according to your liking, of course. And I will show you how to move it up or down, of course. And the changes will only apply for the mobile, will not apply for the desktop. And if you are interested in how to do that for the desktop, as I said, I already made that video. So we will keep this page open, do the trick, come back and see it in action. Let me get back to Shopify dashboard. And the first thing you're going to do is, as always, click on the 3 dots on left of customize and click on edit code. And after that, it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. And in here, we need to find the specific file. Instead of looking at the folders, you might get dizzy or something. Just use the search bar at the top left corner and type in theme. And you will see theme.liquid. Make sure it ends with liquid. Theme.liquid. Click on it. Bunch of code will show up, no worries. Just scroll all the way down and you will see this section right here where it says /body. As you can see, it says /body in here. So we need to paste in some code in order to do what we're trying to do, but we need to paste it above /body or before /body. And there is no space in here. To create that space, simply click front of the last thing above /body, click front of it like this, then hit enter on your keyboard. And here we go, we have a space in here, because as I said, we need this space to paste in some code. In order to get that code, you need to hire a developer, pay him, wait 24 hours, then he get back to you with the code, then see if it works or not. I'm just joking. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link, name it as code. and just click on it and it will take you to this page right here. And again, this code is completely free. No pay please, no share please, nothing like that. As I said, just a like button if this video helped you out. So this little code here will do the trick for us. The first thing is select the whole code in here, right click and copy, get back in here and paste it in here in the space that we did create. So as you can see here, it says minimum height, and this is a number. So let me explain this for a second. So the higher the number is, the lower the picture is gonna go down. The lower the number is, the higher the picture is gonna go down. It might sound confusing, but you will get the idea in a second. So let's just keep it 99 for demonstration. Let's just keep it 99 and let's just click on the save button. We will get back in here and reload the page. Oh, it goes down. As I said, the higher the number is, the lower the picture is gonna go. Or the lower the number is, the higher the picture is gonna go. Let's just make it lower. So let's just do 60. Yeah, let's just do 60. It was 99. Now let's just do 60. And if we get back in here, reload the page, it did go up, as you can see. We want it more up. Let's just do 40. Let's just type in here 40. We click on the save button. A couple of seconds passed. We get back, reload the page. It did go up as well. So you get the idea. Just playing around with the number until you get the exact position you want the banner picture to be shown on the mobile. And again, this is only for the mobile. Let me close this. Back to the normal size, as you can see. And that's how you adjust and move the banner image position on the mobile only for your Shopify store by using a custom code. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.